I went to college at Harvard in '43, and the war was on, and a lot of my classmates actually fought, and many of them perished in World War II. And there I was in one of the houses. You know, Harvard has these big houses by the Charles River. And I really had essentially no friends, no enemies, but no friends. And I think it was partly being a foreigner, not so much being Jewish. The Jewish part has one interesting touch, because I was a freshman. The school selects your roommate for you. You get a roommate as a freshman, or did then. And they put me in with a senior who I couldn't quite understand why. And we got along more or less, but it was unusual to have that. And now, 50 years or 60 years after, I realized we were two Jews. They had to put them somewhere better, not spoil, more rooms. I believe that.